Welcome to AP Workshops. I'm going to do a tiny little film. Just as I was fixing this bike, I'm going to do a tiny little film about a problem that I've just seen, which I've realised that there's a lot of people are having difficulties with. Now, water in the fuel in the fuel tank, you'd be stuck without it, wouldn't you? But water in the fuel tank, that does get you stuck. The reason why we're getting water in the fuel tank is because the drains and the cap, if you lift up your cap, you'll see there's two little holes there. Basically, the drains in the cap are filling up with water. So every time you open up the filler cap, little bits of water are dropping into the fuel tank, and eventually it's getting to the point where it's going to stop you. So I'm just fixing this tank here, which doesn't look like it's been off in a while as it goes, but I was just looking at this. I've just put it all back together again so I can see what's going on, but I've just gone to these two little blue pipes here. This is one of the plastic tank bikes. I was just looking at this one and I've just taken these pipes off here. So I'll just take these clips off. Okay, and I'm just going to check these two these two studs here behind the blue ones, but watch this. Can you see this corrosion here? So this corrosion here is where water is sat in the drain. It's sat in the drain and filled up and basically just kind of corroded over time, this little stud here. So what I've got is a drill, very, very small drill, the smallest, I think it's probably even the smallest one I've got. And I'm just going to run it down and just make sure, see that one's even starting to fill up. That one is blocked, which is why this bike had basically water in the fuel tank. So what I'm going to do, I'll put this into my little battery operated drill and I'm going to go by clearing that out. Give me one more second, so I'll make my drill a bit bigger. Be careful doing this. That is corroded badly in there. So this is really badly corroded in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep going at that. Excuse me, I'm going to keep going at that until that comes clear. Then I'll tip it upside down, clear all the water out, and basically the clock's reset on it. So this here is something that you've got to look out for. I'm going to carry on bashing away at this, and we'll perhaps sort of give you a bit of a demo on when it all goes back together again and see what's going on. But certainly, when you're putting your tank back on, have a quick look for this pipe, because this pipe looks like it's been crimped here as well. So something that you've got to... Here, look, can you see this little crimp there? Look there. So that's where it's been twisted. Okay, so keep your eye on that. Make sure you know what's going on. If you need any help, if you're not sure, if you want to get in touch, just ask a few questions. Please don't hesitate. You can get in touch with us, sales@apworkshops.co.uk. We will help you out as much as we can. As soon as we get in the door, first thing we do, answer the emails. So no problems. Thanks very much. Speak to you soon.